Dear students, now we have to go to the first unit number 1, matrices. The topic of reduction of quadratic form into a canonical form by orthogonal transformations. The definition is a homogeneous polynomial of second degree in any number of variables is called a quadratic form. Example of 2x1 square plus 3x2 square minus x3 square plus 4x1 x2 plus 5x1 x3 minus 6x2 x3. First one problem is write the matrix of the quadratic form 2x square plus 8z square plus 4x5 plus 10xz minus 2yz. How to write the matrix from the quadratic form? The given formula is, because the given is quadratic form converted into the matrix. So how to write the matrix? Q is equal to, the given quadratic form contains three variables x, y, z. The first row contains x, y, z and the first column is x, y, z. Therefore, the matrix elements A11 is x squared, A12 is xy, A13 is xz and so on. Therefore, we can write the coefficient of x squared, 1 by 2 coefficient of xy, 1 by 2 coefficient of xz and so on, the given formula. The all terms divided by 2 except the diagonal elements. This is the formula of write the matrix from the quadratic form. Therefore, the given quadratic form into the matrix is Q is equal to, the matrix is the given coefficient of x squared in the given quadratic form is 2. Therefore, first we have to write 2. And the coefficient of y squared is not there the quadratic form. Therefore, it will become a 0. Therefore, second diagonal element is 0. And the third diagonal element is coefficient of z squared. The given quadratic form is 8. Therefore, 8. The remaining elements is coefficient of xy, xz and the coefficient of xy, yz, xz, yz will become all the elements divided by 2. Therefore, you can get the quadratic form of the matrix 2, 2, 5, 2, 0, minus 1, 5, minus 1, 8. Okay. The next, the nature of the quadratic form. Let Q equal to x power t, that means x transpose ax, be a quadratic form in n variables x1, x2, etc. xn. If the rank of A is R, then the canonical form of Q consists only R square terms. Index of the quadratic form. Therefore, the number of positive square terms in the canonical form is called the index of the quadratic form. It is denoted by S. And the other one is signature of the quadratic form. The difference of number of positive and negative square terms, that means 2s minus r, is called the signature of the quadratic form. These are all the natures: rank, index and signature. Then the quadratic form Q equal to x power t ax in n variable is said to be, the nature is different types of 5 ways. One is positive definite and negative definite and positive semi-definite and negative semi-definite. The last one is indefinite. Therefore, how to write the positive definite? If the given matrix contains the eigenvalues, therefore all the eigenvalues are positive, the given quadratic form nature is positive definite. All the eigenvalues are positive. For example, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the quadratic form nature is positive definite. And then all the eigenvalues are negative. Therefore, the nature is negative definite. For example, is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And then all the eigenvalues are positive and at least one of the eigenvalue is 0. Then the nature is positive semi-definite. For example, 0, 2, 3 or 0, 0, 3. At least 1, 0 the eigenvalues, but remaining eigenvalues are positive. The same way is a negative semi-definite is all the eigenvalues are negative, at least one of the eigenvalues is 0. That means 0, minus 2, minus 3 or 0, 0, minus 3. The last one is nature is indefinite. Indefinite means if the given matrix contains both positive and negative eigenvalues. For example, minus 1, 2, 3 or minus 1, minus 2, 3. Therefore, positive and negative eigenvalues, then the given nature is indefinite. Right. Next one is problem. Problem on reduction of quadratic form. So how to solve the problem of quadratic form into a canonical form? Now we see that. First one is reduce the quadratic form x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2xz minus 2yz to a canonical form through an orthogonal transformations. Also discuss its nature. This is the problem. This is the very important problem. The solution is the given quadratic form Therefore, the above quadratic form x square plus y square and so on etc. First, we have to write the matrix of the corresponding quadratic form. Therefore, the matrix of the quadratic form is this one. Formula is already I told that. Therefore, write the formula coefficient of x squared and 1 by 2 coefficient of x for something etc. Diagonal elements only numbers and the remaining elements x divided by 2. Therefore, we get the matrix A is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Therefore, the coefficient of x squared is 1 and the coefficient of y squared is 1 and the coefficient of z squared is 1. Therefore, the diagonal element is 1 1 1 and the coefficient of xy is minus 2. So, divided by 2 is minus 1 and the coefficient of xz is minus 2 and the coefficient of yz is also minus 2. Therefore, these are all elements divided by 2, we can get minus 1. The remaining elements are minus 1. This type of matrix is surely given the symmetric matrix only. Therefore, the characteristic equations of the given matrix. The characteristic equation general form is lambda cube minus s1 lambda squared plus s2 lambda minus s3 equal to 0. Where s1 is equal to sum of the main diagonal elements. Therefore, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. s2 is equal to sum of the minors of the main diagonal elements. Therefore, we can get s2 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. We can get the value is 0. s2 values will become 0. And s3 is determinant value of the matrix. Therefore, the determinant value of the above matrix 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 we can get the value of minus 4. Therefore, s1 is equal to 3, s2 equal to 0 and s3 equal to minus 4. These three elements we substitute to the general form of the characteristic equation, we can get the characteristic equations. Therefore, the characteristic equation of A is lambda cube minus 3 lambda square plus 4 is equal to 0. This one is the characteristic equations. And the next step we have to find the eigenvalues. Solve the characteristic equation. The roots of the characteristic equation is also known as the eigenvalues. Therefore, the roots of the characteristic equations lambda cube minus 3 lambda square plus 4 equal to 0. We can use the calculator or synthetic division method. We can get the eigenvalues. Lambda is equal to 2 comma 2 comma minus 1. Therefore, 2 2 minus 1 is the eigenvalues. This one get the repeated eigenvalues. The given matrix is a symmetric matrix. The next we have to find the eigenvector. The general form of the eigenvectors given by a minus lambda into x is equal to 0. Therefore, diagonal element only subtract the minus lambda, the remaining elements all becomes the same and x1, x2, x3 equal to 0. Therefore, we can get 1 minus lambda minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus lambda minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus lambda into x1, x2, x3 equal to 0. This one get the equation number 1. Substitute the eigenvalues to this equation, we can get the eigenvector. Therefore, first we substitute lambda equal to minus 1 in the above equations. Therefore, lambda is equal to minus 1 in equation 1 becomes 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 into x1 x2 x3 equal to 0. These contains 3 equations converted into equations. Therefore, 2x1 first row and first column, second row and first column, third row and first column, matrix multiplications. Therefore, 2x1 minus x2 plus x3 equal to 0, minus x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 equal to 0, minus x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 equal to 0. These are all the 3 equations. First, we have to check the equations are same or different. Now, the 3 equations are different. Therefore, choose any 2 equations. Now my problem is solving first 2 equations, but you can choose any 2 equations, the result is same. The first 2 equations by using the cross rule multiplication method. We have x1 by 3 equal to x2 divided by 3 and x3 divided by 3. Therefore, the eigenvector is 3 3 3. So, common all the elements is divided by 3. Therefore, we can get x1 first eigenvector. Therefore, x1 notation is x1 is equal to 1 1 1. And then the second one is for lambda is equal to 2 in equation 1 becomes minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. All the elements are minus 1 in the matrix. x1 x2 x3 equal to 0. Converted the equations, all the equations are same. Minus x1 minus x2 minus x3 in the above for 3 equations. We have to check the equations are same or different. The above 3 equations are same. Therefore, we cannot use the cross multiplication method now. So, we choose any one of the equations. We can put x1 is equal to 0. The above equations x1 is equal to 0. We get minus x2 minus x3 equal to 0. if x2 is equal to minus x3, the coefficient is cross multiplication with is x2 divided by 1 and x3 equal to divided by minus 1. Therefore, the second eigenvector x2 is equal to x0, 1, minus 1. Okay, right? Now, we have to find the third eigenvector. The eigenvalue is repeated eigenvalue, but the given matrix is symmetric matrix. Therefore, the third eigenvector, find out the following method. Let x3 is equal to Lmn. x1 power t into x3 equal to 0, Lmn, and x2 power t into x3 equal to 0, 0L plus m minus n is equal to 0. Because the third find the third eigenvector using the above two eigenvectors by using the cross multiplication method. So solving the above two equations, we can get L by 2, m by 1, n by 1. Therefore, we can get the third eigenvector x3 is equal to minus 2, 1, 1. Okay, right? Therefore, now we find all the three eigenvectors x1, x2, x3. The next one is we have to find the normalized matrix n. Why we have to find the normalized matrix? Therefore, the given matrix is the diagonalization D is equal to n power t a n. This is the formula of diagonalization. Therefore, we have to find the matrix of n first. Therefore, how to find the normalized matrix n? The three eigenvector to write the column wise matrix. Therefore, first eigenvector 1, 1, 1, second eigenvector 0, 1, minus 1, third eigenvector minus 2, 1, 1. To write the column wise, the first eigenvector 1, 1, 1, the denominator values of all the three values is square root of sum of the square of the values. Square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 3. Therefore, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. The second eigenvector 0, 1, minus 1. Square root of 0 squared is no need. 1 square plus 1 square. Therefore, root 2. Therefore, all the second column is divided by square root of 2. Third eigenvector is minus 2, 1, 1. Therefore, square root of minus 2 square. That means 4 plus 1 square plus 1 square. Therefore, root of 6. Therefore, third column is divided by root 6, root 6, root 6. This one is the normalized matrix n. And then we have to write the n power t. N power t is also known the results. The n row into column interchange. N transpose means. Therefore, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by 3, 0, 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2, minus 2 by root 3, 1 by root 6 into 1 by root 6. This one is the n power t. Now, you have to find that diagonalization D. D is equal to n power t a n. Multiply the above three matrix. N power t a n. N is the normalized matrix. N power t now find. A means the given matrix. Therefore, n power t a n multiply. We can get the values of minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. Multiply the above three matrices. We can get the result this. How to check the result is right or not? The diagonalization matrix get the diagonal only eigenvalues. Remaining all the elements are 0. Eigenvalues minus 1, 2, 2. May take the eigenvalues order. First eigenvector is corresponding eigenvalue is minus 1. Second eigenvector's corresponding eigenvalue is 2. Third eigenvector's corresponding eigenvalue is 2. Therefore, the same order is minus 1, 2, 2 in the diagonal values. Remaining values all are 0. This one is D. Minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. This is the final result. Finally, we have to find the canonical form. The canonical form is D matrix y1, y2, y3 and minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2 and y1, y3 in row wise and column wise. Therefore, we can get minus y1 square plus 2y2 square plus 2y3 square. This is the canonical form. The given matrix is the quadratic form and finally converted into the matrix into the canonical form. Okay, and the next one is find the nature of the quadratic form. The nature is the eigenvalue of the above matrix is minus 1, 2, 2. Therefore, the eigenvalues is mingled of positive and negative eigenvalues. Therefore, the nature is indefinite. Already so the nature is 5 points and the positive and negative eigenvalues, both the positive and negative eigenvalues is there. Therefore, the nature is indefinite. Okay, thank you.